The importance of the foam shaping process isn't just to bring back the shape of the dash, because there are plenty of old dashes where the shape of the dash looks like it's good, but it's really in the structure of the foam. Over time, that foam is degraded and has just weakened. With the open cell foams that the OEMs used to use, that stuff turns into a pillow. So when you reach out and you grab a 50-year-old dash, you can feel the softness to it. And what we've got here is a 1970 Barracuda dash where we haven't done any structural work to it. We haven't reshaped it with foam. We haven't really prepped it properly for vacuum forming, but we're gonna try to vacuum form it anyways, just to show how much detail comes through on a dash and see what happens when you vacuum form a dash where we haven't done the foam work to. As you can see, it brings out a lot of detail when you just go right into vacuum forming. You're gonna look at the top of the dash and see all those divots and cracks, and actually it'll come out in the video, but there was so much compression on the top of the dash, it was actually crushing the material that was underneath it. So we don't do this. This is an experiment. You can see that it might look okay in certain areas, but a dash should really not have that much give to it. And there's gonna be pock marks in the tops of the dash, even areas where it's gone over with some Bondo or some filler or something. All that's just gonna disintegrate with the amount of pressure coming in from the vacuum former. This is awful. We would never, ever put anything like this out to a customer. You can see how much detail comes out from pock marks, from large gouges. It really comes down to the softness. Even if we were able to fill in those areas, because the foam is so deteriorated and it does have that pillow-like feel to it, when you vacuum form around it, it just kind of decompresses again because there's no support there. Which is why on any given dash, we can spend 20 to 30 to 40 hours just in the foam structuring of these dashes. And we're hand sculpting each one of these. The amount of hours that goes into the foam work is super critical. Just to get to this 15-second process of vacuum form.